quick little video for you. I found this in Pepco today, and it must be available in the UK as well as in Spain, and it's available in various other countries as well. It's marketed as an Easter pastry mat, 50 by 70 centimetres. So this thing is huge. Great if you're making pastry, I'm sure. That isn't what I bought it for, but yes, it would be good for that. Aside from having the measurements on all sides, it has the circle measures in the centre, like this. And it has, if I fold this over, you can see, cups to grams listed on this corner. And on the other corner, it has spoons, cups, and liquid. So this is actually really, really handy. I mean, I'm intending to use it inside my laser cutter that I've got coming. Because I'm in the EU, with the laser cutter that I've bought, the X-Tool S1, normally it comes with, when you buy a riser for it, it comes with a riser and there's a drawer that you can pull out and you can empty out the debris. In the EU, they're not allowed to have a drawer that opens, so it's a closed space. And I wanted something that was going to be helping to make it easier for me to get the dirt and gunk out of it once I've actually vacuumed it out. So I figured silicone, the laser doesn't have any effect on this, and I'm going to be able to take it out. Well, I'll be able to cut it to size, put it in there and take it out when I need to clean the base. So great. The other thing it has is a little tab to wind it up. You can roll it up and keep it nice and tidy. So yeah, I thought that was a really good buy because it's €7 in Spain and it's £6 in the UK. That's pretty good for a 50 by 70 centimetre mat. It's so big I can't even show you the whole thing on camera.